Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset and unpair your Apple Watch Series 11. The fastest way to do this is grab your iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch, then open App Library on it and search for the Watch application, then open it. Next, select all watches at the very top of the screen. Then tap the information icon next to your Apple Watch, scroll down, then select Unpair Apple Watch, then select Unpair, then confirm by entering your password to your Apple account, and then tap Unpair on the screen. And wait for a while until your Apple Watch is unpaired. And once your Apple Watch is unpaired and reset, your phone screen will look like this and your Apple Watch's display will look like this. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.